welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I will be showing you guys how I got this bright and bold springtime look. It's perfect for Easter. It's not your typical Easter look like with pastels and all that, but it is very, very beautiful, still perfect for the occasion. And I was inspired to do this look by Naomi's mommy here on YouTube. I'll leave the link to her video of this look down in the description, so check her out if you'd like. The exact step-by-step may not be exactly the same as hers, but the colors I was definitely inspired by, so that is why I bring you this today. I really hope you guys enjoy it, and if you are interested in seeing how I got this, then keep on watching. So you guys already know I like to start off with my base already done, and I bake while I work on my eyes. Since I will be doing a colorful look, I want to make sure I prime my eyelids, and I'm just using a concealer for this. For this look, I will be using the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Going first on my eye with the fluffy blending brush is this light pink. Start stamping that as a transition. After that, I'm going in with the pink right underneath that one and placing it right below that pink. After the first two pinks are blended well together, I'm going in with the hot pink on the top row, and I'm going to start stamping that right on my eyelid. And to blend that, I'm just taking the first brush I was using with no additional product. After that, I'm taking concealer again and a concealer brush, and I'm going to dab some concealer in the middle of my eyelid to create a halo. I'm going back in with the light pink and with the super tiny concealer brush, and I'm going to focus this pink in the middle right here, and then go back with the hot pink shade. Go back and forth with these two brushes, like a small one and a small concealer brush, with the light pink and the hot pink to get kind of that shape. It's not like a perfect halo, but that light pink in the middle just gives the eye like some sort of like different kind of dimension. Once you're satisfied with the pinks, go ahead and work on your lower lash line. For that, I'm going to be using blue. I do have this blue eyeliner that I got, I think probably at the jewelry box a long time ago, but it's like a navy blue. And I'm going to be applying this to my lower lash line because the blue shadow that I'm going to be using right now, I do want it to have something to stick to. So just kind of like messily put it there, and it looks super weird right now. Yes, it does. And once you have that in place, I'm going in with this blue right here and with a flat brush, and place it right on top of where you have that blue and smoke it out. Now it's time for a highlight, and since I do have quite a lot going on with the eyes, I do want to use a light pink highlight. So for this, I'm going to be using the Carli Bybel palette, this pink highlight right here, for the brow bone and inner corner. I'm using that same highlight for my cheekbones as well. And can't forget the Cupid's bow. All that's left to do are to fix my eyebrows, throw on that winged eyeliner, the base is finished, curl your lashes, course, cannot forget your falsies. Falsies on, now finally lips, since we do already have a lot going on and we don't want to look too crazy. After lip balm, I am going to just top it off with my Bare Minerals Nude Gloss in Totally. That was it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed. I hope you liked the look. Give it a try if you want to do a little bit more bold, a little bit not your so typical Easter look, but it's still very, very pretty. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't yet, and click the bell to get notified from me whenever I do upload a new video, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!